since this past summer, the last time we saw something like that. So we'll keep an eye on that definitely right here for you on News Now from Fox. But we do also want to go to this story here that we are bringing up in just a moment. The holidays can be the toughest times of the year for firefighters. And in fact, fire departments nationwide responded to more than 1,600 cooking fires on Thanksgiving Day alone. That's 3.5 times an average day there. But December is typically their busiest month, and coupled with COVID-19, they've been preparing for what to come. Fox's Stephanie Bennett joins us with the story here right there in Phoenix. Stephanie, how you doing?
Very good, thank you. Yeah, that's right. Fire officials say as more people are starting to spend time at home because of COVID-19, they've actually started to see an increase in home fires. And they say with Christmas coming up this week, they're expecting the worst, and it's going to be busy. Phoenix firefighter Joseph Buckley starts his day getting geared up, not only for fires, but now COVID-19 as well.
The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put on our N95 face masks.
This is just another layer of protection and safety that the Phoenix Fire Department has taken. This caught everybody off by surprise, so we are wearing masks. We do have our social distancing.
Engine 61.
As first responders, protecting others during a pandemic is extremely challenging, and protecting themselves can be even harder.
I tested positive for COVID in early October. I did everything that we're trained to do, but sometimes it's just unpreventable. We are on the front line and we're at risk. Come summertime, it was almost every other call, especially for the medical calls we run on, was a COVID positive patient or a patient that was very likely COVID positive.
Nationwide, the number of firefighters testing positive for COVID-19 is growing, and so far, 114 have died.
That's a tragic number, but those are firefighters and EMS personnel that went out with a sense of duty and a sense of purpose to do their jobs, and unfortunately, they became infected.
Now fire departments are bracing for their busiest time of the year, the holidays.
I can't remember a single Christmas that we didn't run, multiple calls.
And fire chiefs across the country say they're also concerned about potential budget cuts and layoffs.
We project that about 30,000 firefighters will be laid off nationwide over the next several years because of the economic impact of the COVID.
But like many first responders, they're focused on their community, ready to respond whatever comes their way.
The same reason we all come on this job is just a greater urge to serve the public and, to the best of our means, help people out.
Now, on top of wearing all of the protective equipment, the Phoenix Fire Department also has a decontamination unit that'll come out and spray and sanitize their trucks, ambulances, and also their whole fire station. Mike?
Yeah, thanks, Stephanie, there reporting there live for us in Phoenix. And this is something that, like you said, they've been preparing for this moment. But then when they saw the surge there in Thanksgiving, we're hoping that after Christmas, it's not going to be worse there for them.
Yeah, you're exactly right. Only time will tell. We'll have to see. We did see that huge spike, like you mentioned, after Thanksgiving, after, some people did still travel and did still get on planes, get on trains, get on anything really to travel across the country and still did mix. So we did see a huge spike in our cases. Now, the CDC is recommending against travel this year, but if you do travel, they do recommend that you take a COVID test before and after you travel. Make sure you socially distance, and it's so important to continue to wear that mask, not only for yourself, but for others and also for these emergency personnel.
Absolutely. Really, those frontline warriors right there for us, helping us out, not only in this city, but across the country as well. Stephanie Bennett, thanks so much for bringing us